Hey, just a quick thought on how to install and set up your app. Access Medical Labs Action Automation for workflows. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, and you click on it. Click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Ignore this pop-up. When you are done with your installation, reload the page, then search for the custom page of the app and click on it. You're going to see this pop-up interface with all its necessary items such as the documentation and everything you need to begin your journey is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials to configure your app. We have the app set up. No worries, let's walk you through on how to connect this specific app. Click on the Start Setup and enter your username and the password you used to create an account on the app. Then you click on Complete Setup and your app will be successfully connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to submit a detailed request and schedule a one-on-one video session with our support team, and as well the changelog feature that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this specific app. To stay updated, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and click on the subscribe button. You've learned how to install and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.